Hi everyone, welcome to TadiBrothers. I'm Tamir, and in this video we're going to discuss how to pair and set up our digital RV camera with a receiver. This is obviously wireless with a 150-foot digital range, and we're going to show you how to set it all up. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of it, the first thing I want to point out is that I strongly recommend you bench test everything. It'll give you a better understanding of how the system works. It'll make the installation quicker and cleaner. So here we go. First, the parts that you get is you get a camera that you see here. We get a long-range antenna. You get two pigtails, which is supposed to power it 12 to 24 volts. And you get a receiver with its own antenna. This is compatible with any of our wired monitors. So if you want to use our 7-inch, which is SKU number 24122, or even one of our mirrors, the 22503, it will work as long as it's a wired system. Even a 3.5-inch, whatever you guys want to do, you guys can play around with it. Just make sure that it's on our wired section of the website. Okay, so let's just set this all up here. The first part we're going to talk about is the camera itself. So here's the camera. We're going to take the weather cap. The anatomy of the camera, as they like to say, is these are the LED lights. They do not turn on. They soak in the light. That's what gives you the night vision. Also, remember, here the night vision is progressive. So the darker it gets outside, the more night vision you're going to see. This saves you from having to fumble around with buttons to activate the night vision. It's just automatic. So here, let's connect the antenna to it. See right here. Oops. Like that. And then we're going to connect it to power, but we'll do that in a second. The next part I want to show you guys is the receiver itself. This is the digital receiver. It's got the reset button, but it's also the pairing button. So when you hold it down, it will activate the pairing. The R means that it is a receiver. The power shows green, shows you that it has power. The link button activates when it's pairing and showing you that it's got a hard connection with the digital camera. Remember, these are digital, so they lock into each other, kind of like your Bluetooth headset. The back of the receiver comes with this M3 tape, and you know, I've seen people put Velcro or magnets. You guys can customize it however you guys need. Okay. Now let's connect the antenna to here for the receiver right there. All right, like that. And we're going to pair like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to plug this in to the back of the screen. One thing I forgot to mention, the camera itself also comes with a U-bracket, so you can mount it on the top of your vehicle. If you guys have a Furrion or a Y-Sight setup, you might want to get one of our adapter plates that makes it compatible with your half moon bracket or shark fin. For the Furrion, that part number is 53246. It's a nice plate with a cable that plugs into the back here. The cable plugs into the socket of your half moon bracket or shark fin. They call it different things. And then it makes the installation 2 minutes just to plug it in. So this is compatible with that as long as you get that bracket that I mentioned. We're not using this here because we're not mounting it anywhere. Okay, so now let's plug the receiver into the screen itself. All right, so we're going to plug this in there, like this. 1 second. And we're going to connect this thing to power. Now, I want you guys to see here that once it gets power, it's going to say no signal. That's a good thing, because that means that this thing is feeding an image to the screen itself. All we got to do now is fire up the camera, and then you're going to see the images working. 95% of the time, this already comes paired, but I'm going to show you how to pair it in any case. So we're going to plug this into power. You guys see right here. And there you go. It image. Now imagine if you're backing up. That's an instant connection, right? Here, look. Let's do it again. Right? If you want it only on when you go in reverse, right? And as soon as you pop into reverse, the image pops up. It's not even there isn't even any kind of delay on it. Now, so there's no question, this thing can be left on continuously while you're driving or only when you go in reverse. It's up to you how you guys want to set it up. These cameras can be even used as security cameras for outside your vehicle when you're parked or if you want to see what's going on at night. So let's get on to the pairing now. So the way we're going to pair it is we're going to hold down the pairing button on this thing. You see right here. Okay, and then I'm going to hold down the button. That was pretty quick, so let me do it again here. I'm going to actually unplug it so you guys see the countdown better. We're going to hold this down. You're going to see the countdown. Okay, now we're going to plug in the camera and push the button. Give it a second. And there you go. You're good to go. That's a live image. There's my hand. Okay? That's really all there is to it. Right? I mean, the picture here, look how vivid the colors are in the image. I mean, it's unbelievable. And remember, I'm in a studio with like 50 lights here that are blinding me to make this thing. Oh, by the way, here is the reception for the camera to show you how good it is. Obviously, we're in close proximity, but even at 100 feet, you're going to see that with 5 bars, right? It takes a lot for those bars to start wavering because this is so powerful, okay? But this is basically the setup that you have here. I mean, there's not much to it. I'll even push the pairing button again. Show you what happens. It's waiting for signal. Give it a second. Hold this down. And you're good to go. I mean, that's pretty much all there is to it. If you guys need more tech support or just general information, feel free to call us at 866-966-5550. If you've already purchased from us, I hope this video helped. If you're still shopping, pop over to TadiBrothers.com or give us a call. It would be an honor to earn your business. From all of us here at Taddy Brothers, thanks for watching and have a great day.